Bitcoin is pressing into 4H resistance at 67,292 while the daily time frame remains bearish. That combination is worth understanding before assuming the move continues. Price is currently trading near 66,550, which puts it within striking distance of the 4H resistance level at 67,292. That is not a breakout. That is a test. The distance between current price and confirmed resistance is narrow, and the structure above has not been cleared. Here is what the data shows. First, time frame alignment is split. The 1H bias reads bullish, the 4H reads neutral, and the 1D reads bearish. That is not a clean trend stack in either direction. It is a structure in conflict. Second, exhaustion risk is registering at 17.5%, which is low. That means the current move has not yet reached the kind of stretch that historically precedes relief. The move can still extend, but the structure is not screaming reversal either. Third, bounce probability is sitting at 13.8%, also low. The board is not detecting meaningful relief risk from the downside. That keeps the bearish daily pressure relevant. Fourth, 4H support sits far below at 6,600. That gap between current price and structural support means there is significant range between where price is now and where the next meaningful floor exists. Fifth, no divergence and no liquidity sweep are confirmed in the data. Without those, the setup lacks the kind of structural trigger that typically precedes a clean directional move. Mechanically, this matters because stretch moves toward resistance without divergence or sweep confirmation are where late participants tend to absorb the most risk. Price approaching resistance on a conflicted time frame stack means the burden of proof falls on the bulls to produce a confirmed breakout, not just a test. What would strengthen the bullish case? A clean reclaim and hold above 67,292 on the 4H time frame would begin building clearer bullish structure. That is the confirmation threshold. What would weaken it? A rejection from the 67,292 zone, or a loss of the current price range without a reclaim, keeps the mixed read unresolved and the daily bearish bias dominant. Market Bias Tracker does not give signals. It tracks market structure before the crowd reacts.